Good day, everyone. Our topic for today is gender sensitivity and gender sensitive language. But before we start, let's go over the objectives of this discussion. First, we need to understand what gender sensitivity is all about. Next, we'll learn how to use gender inclusive language. And last, our main goal is to promote respect and equality to the way we communicate. Gender sensitivity is about recognizing the issues and problems in how society perceives gender. In simple explanation, gender sensitivity ay ang pagiging mulat sa paraan ng ating pananalita, kilos at pananaw upang masiguro may respeto at pantay na pagtrato sa lahat, anuman ang kanilang kasarian. Gender-sensitive language is a way of speaking and writing that avoids bias or discrimination based on gender. Gender-sensitive language, it ensures that words and expression do not assume a particular gender, making communication more inclusive and respectful for everyone. Ibig sabihin, iniiwasan natin ang stereotypes o bias na madalas nating nakasanayan. Like for example, pag sinabing policeman, chairman, manpower, fireman, automatic natin naiisip yung posisyon na naipala lang sa lalaki. Bakit tayo hindi gumamit ng neutral terms like police officer, chairperson, workforce, firefighter? By using gender-sensitive language or neutral terms, it helps eliminate stereotypes and promotes equality and respect for all genders. To summarize this discussion, gender sensitivity and gender sensitive language is about respect and equality. So that's all, guys. Thank you.